Welcome again, my dear students. In this video, we will talk about central banks, meaning and difference between commercial bank and central bank. In earlier video, I was already discussed about meaning and types of bank. Now, let's start a central bank. A central bank is the apex institutions in the banking and the financial structure of a country. So here apex means top, highest. This means that the central bank which is at the top of the financial institutions of a country. So the central bank plays vital role for the proper functioning of an economy because the central bank is the institutions that regulate and the control financial institutions of the entire economy. All the countries in the world have their central bank. In India, central bank is known as RBI. A central bank basically differs from commercial banks in a number of ways. The main differences are as under. First one is the central bank is the apex institutions in the banking structure of a country. A commercial bank, on the other hand, is merely a constituent unit in the banking structure of a country operating under the control of the central bank. So this means the commercial banks obeys the central bank's rules. This means commercial banks obeys the central bank's rules while the central banks rules the commercial bank. Okay, this means the commercial banks obeys the central bank's rules while the central banks rules the commercial banks. Second, central bank is not profit making institutions. It does not aim at making profit like a commercial bank. It acts in the public interest for the welfare of the country so as to control and regulate the banking and the financial system of the country. So means central banks works in public interest while commercial bank work for profit motive. Third one is a central bank does not perform ordinary commercial banking functions such as accepting deposits from the general public of the country and giving them loans. A commercial bank, on the other hand, deals with the general public. It accepts deposit from the public and gives loan to the public. So the commercial bank accept deposit from the general public and lending in the general public, while the central bank does not deposit from the public nor lend to the public. Fourth one is while commercial bank mobilize saving and channelize these into proper use, the central bank operates with the objective of ensuring proper functioning of the economy. So commercial banks use our savings in different medium for earning profits, while the objective of the central bank is to run the economy's function proper. Okay. Fifth one is a central bank is an organ of the government and therefore is owned by the government and managed by the government officials, but the commercial bank is generally owned by the private individuals, shareholders, though some cases it may be owned by the government. The central bank is the part of the government body. Okay, so the central bank is the part of the government body. So the government regulate it, while commercial bank the owners are private individuals. shareholders. Sometimes it may be government also. Okay. Next one is, a central bank has the sole monopoly of note issue, but commercial bank cannot issue notes. Commercial bank, on the other hand, have the power of the creating deposits money. So the central bank issue currency. No commercial banks issue currency because central bank has monopoly on the issue of money issuance. Okay. Next point is, central bank acts as a banker, physical agent and advisor to the government. The commercial banks have no such responsibilities toward the government. So the government, as the central government, the central banks. So this central bank acts as an advisor and an agent of the government, and it is also a government's bankers, while commercial banks no such responsibilities for the governments. Next, every country has only one central bank with a few offices. On the other hand, there are number of commercial banks in every country with the large number of branches all over the country. So there is only one central bank in each and every country. Some are its offices, but commercial banks are many and also having many branches in the different places in the country. Okay.